Have a good day.
Warning. Although liquid nitrogen is pretty cool to utilize during science experiments, I must warn you that the improper use and handling of liquid nitrogen is extremely dangerous. Now, for those of you who don't know, liquid nitrogen boils at negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it's beyond freezing cold. And in some cases, people have taken their bare hands and picked up a glass filled with liquid nitrogen. When they tried to get their hand off, it ended up ripping off their skin. So please, if you're going to be handling liquid nitrogen, please make sure to do it under the proper supervision and always make sure to utilize the proper safety equipment such as cryo gloves and the proper face and eye protection. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. LA Beast here, and today is my lucky day because I convinced the guy at the chemical supply gas store that I was a science teacher, and he somehow let me walk out of the store renting this. A 25-liter special canister of liquid nitrogen. Why? Because I just watched Terminator 2. Now what I plan on doing right now is reaching into this mystery grab bag full of some of the most ridiculous items I could find and seeing how they react to liquid nitrogen and a hammer when I smashed every living shit out of them. So without further ado, I am the LA Beast. Let's get started. And have a good day. First up is the watermelon. The hammer almost flew out of my hand into the camera. That would have been bad. All right, we have one more. Let's try it again. All right, not bad. Still, this one broke a little bit easier. It's a little bit less messy because I let it freeze a little. Fuck it, let's go on to the next one. Item number 2, my mom's pot roast for dinner. That is not budging at all. That is frozen solid. This is not... Maybe I could just put it in the freezer and eat it for dinner tomorrow. This one I'm a little nervous about. This is a rubber dodgeball. And I'm just scared it's gonna pop, but let's find out. Let's just throw it in the jug and see what happens. Fire in the hole. Holy shit, I was transporting the ball because I was going to drop it on the ground and it exploded in my hands. Whoa. That's crazy. I guess it just, the rubber balls just shattered. Let's try the plastic Batman action figure guy. I have no idea if this is going to work, but I'm going to do it anyway. This guy looks like he's freezing. Holy shit! That was awesome, dude. Because it feels like I'm running out of liquid nitrogen, I'm going to add in this VHS cassette tape. I'm going to try and snap this VHS cassette tape in half with my bare hands. There you have it. This one, the cassette tape was easily broken. An egg. Whoa. LABs. Good day. These are the liquid nitrogen rocket shots, to which I'm going to use some soda in a 2-liter bottle. I have a 1-liter soda bottle, and then I just have some regular water bottles. And we're going to see if I can pull off a sweet rocket shot. So here we go. As always, I have the proper safety gloves, the proper safety mask. Let's do this. I totally touched the cup with the wrong hand. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's go clean that up now.